since we got all this beautiful snow in Atlanta, I figured I'll make an update for you guys out there with the Kickstarter. There gotta be a better way than this. Very nice. The last snowstorm that we had in Atlanta caused a lot of chaos. This time, I decided to take matters into my own hands. So for a Kickstarter update, I figured I'd have a little bit of fun and film something that you guys could enjoy. Wow, it's really coming down now. This is awesome. It looks like the city of Decatur might need my help. So this has been your Kickstarter update, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't take it too seriously. It was just for fun. And keep sharing the video, and hopefully we'll have success. Thanks.